guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. So this video is going to be a continuation of my cash stuffing setup for 2025. So in this video, I'll be doing my budget planner, basically showing you guys what my financial goals are for the year and my goals also for my savings challenges. So my name is Jeanette and my goal for cash stuffing is to save at least 6 months of expenses. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is going to be my budget planner. So I do have a section in here for financial goals. So that's what I'm going to fill out with you guys just to show you guys what my financial goals are for the coming year of 2025. And then basically at the end of the year, I'll just write down what goals did I achieve. So let's start with my financial goals. And again, this is available in my shop, this budget planner, and it is reusable. So you would use alcohol to erase the Sharpie and you can reuse it over and over again. Okay, so let's write down my financial goals. Let's start off with the pink. So the first goal I want to accomplish this year is to complete my goals for sinking funds. So I'm going to write that here. Okay, so that's one of my goals. Another goal is to save $3,000 for savings and $3,000 for emergency. And those are part of my 6 months of expenses. So let's do 3,000 in savings. And we're going to do 3,000 in emergency. Okay, so that's another goal for this year. One of my main goals, and I hope I complete it this year, is going to be to complete my 1,000 envelope challenge. And if I complete that challenge, that's a total of $5,000. So let's write that down. Oh, I forgot the E here. Okay, so complete 100 envelope challenge. Okay, and that's a total of $5,050. Okay, my next goal is going to be to complete my Scratch and Save monthly challenge. So that's this one right here. And we are starting with January. It is December, but we are starting with January. And this goes all the way up to December. I know that each month you do save $75. So the goal at the end of the year is going to be $900. So let's write that down. So complete Scratch and Save. I'm just going to put monthly here and it's going to be $900. Another goal is to clear all my debt. Now I don't have a lot of debt as far as my debt. And that's going to be my Chase credit card, my Home Depot credit card, and my Klarna's. I think I only have one Klarna now, but I know I'm going to do more for the Christmas season. So yeah, so far for Chase, it's $4.98. For Home Depot, it's $2.61. And for Klarna right now, I think it's $2.26. Okay, so that's my goal, to clear up all debt and to use my credit card, but use it the right way. So I'm going to use the credit card, like my Chase credit card, basically for like the business. So any business expenses, I'll put on the credit card and then pay that off. Okay, and then another goal is to save 3 months of mortgage. Now, this is in my 6 months of expenses, but our mortgage is really, really high. So we're going to save up for 3 months. And I'm just going to put an arrow right here. So it's $2,800 a month. And then we times that by 3, it's going to be $8,400. So the goal for that is $8,400. And once I complete any of these goals, I'll just check it off. Now, this is only going to be for 3 months. It's going to take a long time. but that's my goal for the whole year. And then the other year, I'll do the 6 months, the other 3 months of expenses. And just that's just money to have there and hold there just in case of an emergency. Now, I do have an emergency fund, but that's like for other things. So this is my financial goals. And hopefully I meet some of them. Like, I'm not going to beat myself up if I don't meet all of my goals. Me completing some of these goals will satisfy me at the end of the year. So once we fill that out, we're going to go to the next page. Bill tracker. This is for you guys. If you to track all your bills, the amount it is and when it's due, just to have a reference inside of your budget planner. I am going to write the debt down here though. So my debt is going to be my Chase. Let's do it in a different color. I like my book to look really colorful. So Chase, starting balance is going to be $498. And then I'll zero it out when, I'll just put a zero here when it's complete. So that we have Home Depot. And that's going to be $261. I know I'm going to be done with that quick. So then I'll zero it out. And then for Klarna, we have $226. And when it's done, I'll zero that out as well. Okay, so when it comes down to sinking funds, I'm going to write down Christmas. So holidays, which is basically like Christmas. I usually save up for. So the goal is going to be, I'm not going to write the start balance because I do have my trackers inside of each envelope, but I'm just going to write the goal on the side of it. And my goal for the whole year by the end of December is to have $1,500. So I'm just going to write it in new goals. Okay, back to school. By August of next year, I want to be at $1,000. For kids, I want to be, and this is like for future savings. So for the kids, at least $2,000 for the end of the year. And then birthdays. So birthdays, there's 5 of us, 5 birthdays a year, not including me because I don't take out of here. So 5 birthdays is my 4 kids and my husband. So the goal to have for each birthday throughout the year is $500. So I'm going to put $500 each birthday. Okay, so that's for sinking funds. And on here, I'm also going to write the 3 months of expenses for mortgage, even though I did write it in the front. So I did write it here. And okay, so I'm just going to keep this like this because everything's on here. Savings, 3,000 savings. That's for the 6 months of expenses. And then we have 6 months of expenses there. So sinking funds is done. That's the goal for the end of the year. And again, if I don't complete the goals, at least I'm trying to get towards there. Okay, so the next thing is going to be savings challenges. And I am doing pretty much, I think, about 7 challenges now. So let's write them all down. Okay, so as far as savings challenges, so I have my monthly savings challenge I have to put here. And that is the Scratch and Save savings challenge. We are also doing and I started this last week. I'll write the dates in later, but we have the money bag savings challenge, the $5 money bag. So I'm going to put that down. And this is just to keep track of all the savings challenges I have going on right now. Okay, in this book right here, I have a couple of them going on. So I have birthday. I also have my roll the dice challenge, which I'm almost done with. What else? Christmas. And this is saving for next year, Christmas. So what's good about these savings challenges is that this will go into holiday once it's complete. Birthday will go into birthday. And roll the dice challenge, I'll split it between all sinking funds. Okay, so we have Christmas. We have our dollar diamond challenge. We also have a $5 diamond. savings challenge. And then I also have the $1 ice cream challenge. Okay. Then we also have our 100 envelope challenge. I think that's the last one. Okay, so I believe that's the last one. I think I wrote everything down. We have monthly, $5 birthday, roll the dice. And then if I get any more challenges, I'll write it here. I'm going to write the start dates. I did start some of them this year, 2024, but the main goal is to end them by 2025. So that's everything going on as far as savings challenges. And once these are complete, they'll go to their category. So for the monthly savings challenge, when I complete it, I feel like I'll put that towards savings in emergency, or probably it'll be part of the 3 months of mortgage. So I don't know where I'm going to put that money at just yet. And as far as like the $5 money bag, it'll get split into the binder. Birthday will go into birthdays. Roll the dice, split into binders. Christmas will go into holidays. And all of these right here will be split into binders. And when I finish that 100 envelope challenge, it will go into savings, emergency, or the 3 months of mortgage. So if it's complete. If it's not complete, then I'll have to roll it into the next year. But the thing about that 100 envelope challenge, it is a lot to do because it goes up to 100. And right now, I believe I'm up to 26, and I will be doing that this week. So that's everything as far as my goals for 2025. And then again, at the end of the year, I'll just write the goals that I achieved. I know I'm going to achieve at least 2 or 3 of them by the end of next year. Again, my income is very low. And then whatever I make for the small business goes in here as well. But I do take out money for my wallet and any other things that the kids do need. So, but I usually concentrate on the weekly paycheck breakdown. And this is usually where I write everything in. So that's it for that. As far as my trackers, I have to fill them out. So if you guys are not aware of what a tracker is, so in every envelope, I do have a tracker in here. And again, we're starting all these envelopes this year, so I have to fill this out. I usually put the date and how much I put in and just watch it grow from there. So, oh, one more thing I did get some new placeholders. I think I put it in there. So for holiday, I did get some new placeholders. I did make some new placeholders. So these are the new placeholders. They are available in my shop. So the link is in the description box. So there you go right there. And this goes up to 5,000. I have it. So I'm going to show you guys the other ones. So we have 200, we have 300, 500, 1,000, and 5,000. So I thought these were really cute with the little kitty, and I wanted them to be pink. These are available in my shop as well. These are more like, plain, but I wanted a little color. So if you guys like this one, these are available in the shop as well. So yeah, guys, hopefully this was helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. So the next video will be a cash stuffing video, and that will be tomorrow. And yeah, guys, see you later. Bye.